أ باب أو نور إي ريح ب ب بو بو بي بي
Here is the secret to actually speaking in Arabic without feeling embarrassed.
You have to try Alifbee app.
They have this amazing interactive chatbot. You literally practice having real-life conversations, and the bots respond differently based on what you choose. You get to hear real native Arabic speakers, see the translations, and practice your pronunciation in a totally safe space. It's like having a private tutor right in your pocket. Ready to speak with confidence? Download Alifbee right now.